Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. If you're new here, welcome. And to my subscribers, welcome back. Today I'll be making 3 holiday themed drinks. So if you like these types of videos, just keep watching.
First up is the mistletoe mocktail. I'll add blueberries, mint leaves, lemon slices, and muddle them together. I'll now add the liquid ingredients, top off with ice, and garnish with lemon slices and mint leaves. And there you have it, the mistletoe mocktail. Next up is the jingle juice. I'll add the following ingredients, garnish with apples, cranberries, and rosemary, and we'll be ready to jingle all the way. And finally is the Mr. Grinch. I've added a few drops of red food coloring to some white sugar that I'll line the rim of my glass with. Add all the liquid ingredients and Mr. Grinch will be complete. This drink will be perfect for the kiddos. Cheers! All drinks are non-alcoholic, but I'm sure if you wanted to add a little something something, it would definitely take it up a notch. Have some fun this holiday season and give them a try. As always, thanks for the support. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified every Tuesday and Friday when I post. Bye!